everyone, welcome to Booming Bigs TV. What a haul!
Okay guys, as you can see, we have a lot of bags of clothes here. Most of these items we purchased at the Goodwill Outlet bins, and we do have two little bags of stuff that we got at the retail. We paid a total of $500 for all of this stuff, and we're going to go through right now and organize everything. So there is a ton of stuff in every single one of these bags. So while we're organizing everything, I will highlight a few pieces and show you guys an overall glimpse of everything that we have. We're just going to lay everything out on the couch in piles and organize it like shirts, dresses, skirts, stuff like that. And get it ready for Biggs to bring down to the basement for photography. So we're just going through everything now and making piles, shirts, dresses, skirts over here, shorts, and pants. This is a Victoria's Secret swim top, padded with underwire. It is new with tags with a $48 price. Biggs had found another Victoria's Secret swim top, so that was pretty exciting. This one's actually not new, but it's in good condition. Nice. We did actually find quite a few nice swim tops today. This is a really cool jersey dress, new with tags as well. Not everything's new with tags, obviously, but we did get quite a few tags. This is a brand new New Balance jacket. Look at this crazy looking shirt. This is a John Paul Richards skirt.
This is a Casper women's blazer with the little leopard furry collar. This is $230 tag.
Look at all this stuff we still have to go through, guys. So in case you haven't heard in any of our other videos before, the way it works at the Goodwill bins is everything is pretty much like this, but thrown into big bins where you dig through. It's kind of a free-for-all. Anybody can grab whatever they see, however much they want, and you just pay for it by the pound. So this specific location is $1.49 per pound. So as you can see, with little light items like this, you can really get a lot of stuff for a great deal. This is a new express skirt. This is something I found that I'm going to keep for myself because it's so cute. This is a Worthington skirt, and I really love that zipper. We found quite a few pairs of pants with tags, like this pair of Jones New York stretchy white pants and this pair of mint Cato linen pants, and a couple more pairs throughout this pile of tons of stuff. These are Gloria Vanderbilt. Look at this really interesting top that Biggs found. Never seen anything like it before, but it actually has a $86 price tag. This is a cute pair of Guess jean shorts and a pair of shoes. These were actually new. And this is a velvety top by Philosophy, new with tags. And this is another whole stack of pants. Most of them are new. A pair of men's Green Bay Packer swim trunks. This is a Tommy Bahama sweater. And this is a cachet dress. There's so many dresses. This nice ECI dress behind it, new with tags. So many dresses. They're just piled up on top of each other. And this is such a cute skirt. And this piece by Band of Gypsies is so cute. It's actually a romper, but it's long in the back, so it's like a dress romper. We also got a variety of ties and belts and scarves and stuff like that.
These are, I got a real cool tie in here I would like to show you. I would like to show everyone. This one is weird. Never seen this before, but this tie actually is a Donald Trump tie. It's made out of good quality. It has this Donald Trump like seal on this. It's a cool tie.
Yeah, that is a nice tie.
Tommy Hilfiger tie. This is a Vineyard Vines cool belt. And actually, there is another one. This is also a Vineyard Vines.
Nice.
Now this one is a J. Crew. Nice new anchors.
So yeah, there's obviously a lot of stuff in here as well.
So Robert Talbot.
Nice.
I have more Robert Talbots in here.
And this purse was pretty cool with the tassels. And our baby Luna has been just hanging out with us like all cats. She loves boxes.
In the box.
Yes. Oh my gosh. What a sweetheart. Hey, baby. All right, guys. This is pretty much it for the video. This is why we're not going to go through every single item. There is probably, my guess would be about 300 to 400 pieces here. You really don't get the full idea because there's so many stacked up on top of each other. But again, I think we're working with like 300 to 400, maybe even more pieces. So Biggs has a lot of work to do with photographing the items. So again, this cost us around $500, but we'll probably make that back in the next 2 to 3 days or so. We actually had our first ever $400 in sales in one day on Sunday. So that was really exciting. So I know it's been a really long time since I did the last haul video, and this is why. We have been going full time with this and buying way more inventory than we used to. We're both actually working on this full time now, and it's a lot to keep up with, and this size haul would take forever to go through. But I will say, if any of you are interested in a future haul video where I actually go through and show you every single one of these items, if there's anyone actually interested in that, I will do a video in the future like that. All right, you guys, you get the idea. We got a lot of great stuff for $500. We have a lot of work to do. We're hoping to get through listing all of this stuff, just the two of us, in the next 2 weeks, and then go back at it again. Thank you guys so much for watching.